Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn a really useful little trick, how to change the routing corner angle in EasyEDA. When you are drawing PCB traces, you often need to adjust corner angles to make your routing look cleaner, more organized, and in line with design standards. EasyEDA actually gives us several angle options to choose from, so let's take a look. First, open your PCB editor in EasyEDA and check the toolbar at the top. Here, you'll see drop-down menu that says Line 90 degrees by default. Click it, and you'll see a list of options. You can choose line 45 degrees, line 90 degrees, arc 45 degrees, arc 90 degrees, or even free angle mode. Once you select one, your routing will automatically follow that angle. Besides using the drop-down menu, there's also a quick shot. Just press the L key to cycle through the angle options. This makes switching angle much faster and smoother while you are routing, without having to stop and open menus. And that's it. That's how you change the routing corner angle in EasyEDA. Just a few simple steps and your PCB traces will look much neater and more professional.